Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another video. Today we are going to be working on a sanding table made out of an old cart. This cart used to be my grandpa's, who passed away in July of 2019. My grandpa loved to collect many different items, and this ended up in my dad's barn. My dad recently sold his property, so he needed to get rid of a lot of stuff in his barn. So this is one of the things that he handed down to Brandon and I, which is pretty cool because it was our grandpa's. It was a little rusty in some spots, so Brandon sanded it down and then painted it with black spray paint. The old casters were pretty worn out and did not have brakes on them, so Brandon bought these new casters from Home Depot. The new casters did not fit on the cart, so Brandon cut out old pieces of pallet wood and connected and screwed on the pallet wood to the cart so that the casters would sit on the pallet wood and then the pallet wood would sit on the cart itself. Next, Brandon re-screwed on the old bumpers. After screwing those on, he measured and cut 1/2-inch plywood, which is going to be the top of the sanding. The top of the sanding table is made up of a few things. So the 1/2-inch plywood is going to be the top. The 2x4s are going to be on the sides, and then there's a box that Brandon got from his work. This was an old shipping box that his work was using. They no longer needed it. And Brandon has an amazing skill set of taking junk and turning it into treasure. Anytime he brings anything home, he's like, I'm going to use this here. And I absolutely 100% believe him now every single time, because he actually does make anything into treasure. He uses and reuses everything that you can possibly think of. He's very talented. So again, the top of the sanding table is made up of the 1/2-inch plywood, the 2x4s on both sides, and the box from Brandon's work. For the top, Brandon did use 2 different pieces of plywood, so he uses old pallet wood to secure the 2 boards together. Brandon is a big fan of burnt wood, so he burned the top of the plywood to match some of the other things in our garage. Brandon attached the plywood to the cart using chrome hinges from Home Depot. The next part is the most tedious part of this project. So Brandon measured and cut the pegboard. After measuring and cutting, he had to individually drill holes into every single peg hole. This was very, very tedious. But he was able to keep everything in place by clamping down the pegboard to the cart. I can't say enough how much we appreciate y'all for watching our videos. We hope you have a fabulous week, and we'll see you next time.